What is the function of the mesocortical pathway? Have you ever wondered how our brain manages complex tasks like decision-making and emotional responses? The answer lies in a specific neural pathway known as the mesocortical pathway. This pathway connects the ventral tegmental area in the midbrain to the prefrontal cortex of the brain. Its primary role is to regulate cognition, motivation, and emotion. The mesocortical pathway is essential for higher-order brain functions. It influences working memory, attention, and emotional regulation. When this pathway functions well, it helps us think clearly and manage our feelings effectively. However, in the context of schizophrenia, this pathway becomes particularly important. Research shows that decreased dopamine activity in the mesocortical pathway is linked to the negative symptoms of schizophrenia. These negative symptoms include a flat emotional expression, lack of motivation, and difficulties with concentration and decision-making. This reduced dopamine activity can lead to challenges in executive functioning and emotional regulation for many individuals experiencing schizophrenia. Unlike the mesolimbic pathway, which is associated with positive symptoms like hallucinations and delusions due to increased dopamine activity, the mesocortical pathway's reduced dopamine signaling is thought to underlie the negative and cognitive symptoms. These symptoms often do not respond well to traditional antipsychotic medications, which mainly target dopamine hyperactivity in other pathways. The projections of the mesocortical pathway to different areas of the prefrontal cortex regulate various functions. For example, projections to the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex influence cognition and executive functions. In contrast, projections to the ventromedial prefrontal cortex modulate emotions and affect. Interestingly, some studies suggest that substances like nicotine may temporarily increase dopamine releases in this pathway. This could explain why some individuals with schizophrenia have higher smoking rates, as they might be seeking relief from negative symptoms. In summary, the mesocortical pathway plays a vital role in supporting cognitive processes, motivation, and emotional regulation. Its dysfunction, particularly the hypoactivity of dopamine, is linked to the negative and cognitive symptoms characteristic of schizophrenia. Understanding this pathway helps researchers and clinicians develop better strategies for managing the disorder.